Further, I express my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to them. To this function, K. Lohitashiri garu. He is the Divisional Forest Officer. Sometimes he worked as an open place where it is conducive to good learning. The kind of amount of buildings you have here and the kind of courses that are offered, I'm sure would take a long way to you. I was particularly impressed when I was shown your JKC, the center which you have here. I think it's an excellent facility. The college has managed to fund such a project and make sure that young girls like you pick up the right kind of knowledge, the right kind of spirit in which you are going to learn and go out into the world. I think it's a wonderful center.